same, I mean, normal rooms though?
Yes, yes.
All furnished?
All furnished, sir.
And statistics for parting with the old garage of their office. Sadhu, IAS, Srimati.
If you look at the history of the department, whether it was the MG and RAGS scheme, you saw almost a threefold jump in MG and RAGS implementation and the overall utilization of funds. If you look at NRLM, again you've seen maybe almost a 20 times growth in the funds in NRLM utilization. If you look at PMAY, I think it's like even much more. I don't know how much percentage. So what has changed? You have to ask yourself this question. It's the same scheme, same guidelines, and the same people working. But suddenly you see that there is a threefold, tenfold, 100-fold increase in the fund utilization. But I'm happy that of course this building has come up, but this building will mean nothing without the people who are behind it, the people who are going to actually be the core and the heart and soul, as I said, of what this department is about. It's about you. So therefore, I take this opportunity really to congratulate you. C&RD department has done miracles, if I may, and I think all of you deserve a huge round of applause. You're proud of yourself, so really. And I'm sure you must be also happy and proud to see how you are making a difference in a person's life. I believe that there is such a strong desire to work, and the commitment that is there I've seen in all of you. I just want to ask you to keep it up and to continue to work in this committed manner, because as said earlier by the minister as well as by all those who spoke before me, that 80% of the population is right under this building, right under the people who are sitting in this room, 80% of the population. And huge amount of work is there at the grassroots level which needs to be done, and almost every scheme that can make a difference in a person's life will run through this particular building and through all of you sitting out here. So it's a massive responsibility, but you have done very well, and I'm sure that you will keep doing much, much better in the days to come.